If you want to be able to use power button in order to activate Gemini or Google Assistant on Motorola Edge 70, then in that case we can open settings. There we go. Now in here in settings we should be able to scroll down in order to find gestures. And in gestures we're gonna go to power key. So now in here we need to make sure that digital assistant is selected. And now you should be able to activate Gemini or Google Assistant depending on which one is chosen as the main one. By default, we actually use the Gemini, of course, but if we go to the Gemini app, so we can find it in the Google folder. So of course, if you see the welcome message, etc., then it means that you can activate Gemini. But if you want to actually use Google Assistant, then we can tap on our profile in the upper right corner. And over here we have switched to Google Assistant. And if you switch to Google Assistant, then you will actually activate the Google Assistant instead of Gemini. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.